Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Colorlight 2025 AI Display Control product launch. Today, I will share the AI Display Control Meeting System solution with you. Third-party data shows that each year, there are 160,000 meeting screens larger than 90 inches, with 130,000 being traditional projection and LCD. There are 28,000 LED meeting screens, including 20,000 fixed LED screens paired with ordinary computers to serve as meeting terminals, and around 8,000 all-in-one LED boards with built-in systems. With the advancement of MLED technology, COB products display clearer images and offer a better viewing experience. In addition, the price gap continues to narrow. As a result, more and more users are choosing LED screens for meetings. According to statistics, the shipment of all-in-one boards for meetings was around 5,000 units in 2023 and is expected to be around 10,000 units in 2024. Based on our projections, from 2025 to 2028, the global LED meeting screen will maintain an annual compound growth rate of 50%. This means that by 2028, global shipments are expected to exceed 40,000 units, becoming a significant growth point for our LED industry. However, we must admit that many pain points remain for the LED meeting screens. First, LED meeting screens with built-in systems often have insufficient system performance, with slow interface responses. There are frequent latency and delays. During wireless screen mirroring, the mouse operation may lag or the pointer may even drift. Secondly, the system's display bandwidth is insufficient, preventing multi-window displays of external HDMI signals. Additionally, due to the size of LED screens, installing touch frames becomes challenging, which limits the interactive experience. During meetings, noise from the system also interferes with communication. Finally, LED screens still require professional technicians for configuration. These pain points hinder the development of the LED meeting screen sector. Colorlight has launched the all-new AX series, a product line designed specifically for LED meeting screens. This series features high integration, powerful performance, and stability, providing tailored LED meeting solutions to address the pain points mentioned earlier. Previously, LED meeting control systems widely used processes of 20 nanometers or above. While they supported 4K video decoding, also known as 4K SoC, due to process limitations, CPU-GPU performance was insufficient, and the system could only support a 720p interactive meeting screen at most. Powered by an all-new 8-core CPU with an advanced 8 nanometers process, the AX series integrates 8K decoding chips, boasting robust internal performance and much faster response times, compared to traditional all-in-one board for meeting, video playback, image display, or PowerPoint presentations, all with the AX series. Additionally, the AX features a powerful built-in AI processing chip, which can perform AI-driven optimization of LED image quality, offering infinite possibilities for revolutionizing AI applications. The AX also excels in external interfaces. It supports dual HDMI 2.0 inputs and 4K HDMI output for multi-viewer, as well as leading-edge technologies including Wi-Fi 6, USB 3.0, Super USB-C, and Bluetooth 5.2. Previous LED meeting screens did not have a dedicated operating system for LED screens. However, Colorlight Lidos was born to meet the demands of the changing era. It features a brand new system specifically for LED meeting screens. Its simple interface and smooth operation perfectly adapt to LED meeting screens, helping meeting systems enter the true AI 2.0 era. A key feature of the meeting system is wireless screen mirroring. The AX series supports 4K UHD wireless mirroring with a super low latency of up to 50 milliseconds, supporting up to 16 screen mirroring windows. It also supports reverse control of the mirrored devices, such as computers and smartphones, through touch control on the LED meeting screen. LiDOS is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Harmony OS platforms, supporting screen mirroring from multiple devices, including mobile phones, PCs, and tablets. During teaching or presentation, if the LED screen is too large and not suitable for an infrared touch frame, you can use a USB-C cable to connect an LCD touch panel. With the USB-C LCD touch panel, you can easily control the LED meeting screen for whiteboard writing, annotation, Word PowerPoint presentation, web browsing, file copying, and video image playback. LED OS is fully compatible with major meeting software, including Tencent Meeting, Zoom, and Teams, making meetings simpler, more efficient, and more convenient. LiDOS boasts powerful performance and security. Similar to your smartphone, you can freely install third-party apps and private apps. Users can install apps like iQIYI and Youku to watch videos or even games like Honor of Kings. Through wireless Bluetooth 5.2, you can connect a keyboard, mouse, or game console for flexible control. LED OS ports AISR, Artificial Intelligence Super Resolution technology, which uses advanced algorithms to upscale video resolution from HD to 4K, providing users with a more detailed and clearer visual experience. This technology combines deep learning with image enhancement processing, effectively restoring image details. Additionally, LED OS ports AI motion prediction and compensation technology, which can automatically recognize scenes, predict the movement direction of objects, and optimize fast-moving visuals. This greatly reduces screen flickering, making video playback smoother and offering a better visual experience. Unlike LCD screens, which are easier to configure, LED screens require professional installation technicians. In response, LED OS comes with AI Smart Screen Configuration technology, resolving the inconvenience during the process. Non-professional users only need to take photos of the on-site cabinet with their phone, and the AI will automatically recognize the cabinet positions, enabling efficient mapping on-site and making the process simple and convenient. One difference between LED screens and regular LCDs is that after installation, there may still be seams between cabinets, requiring professional technicians for seam correction. We use AI seam correction, where non-professional users can take photos of the on-site screen with their phone, and AI will automatically recognize the bright and dark lines between the cabinets, efficiently completing on-site seam corrections. The AX series meeting system solution adopts a fanless metal conduction heat dissipation design, ensuring quiet operation and avoiding noise interference from mechanical fans. At the same time, it significantly reduces the overall system failure rate, improving durability and stability, and making the meeting environment more focused and efficient, thereby enhancing the overall meeting experience. The AX system supports automatic relay control for power on-off, enables smart management of the LED screen, achieves energy savings, and effectively extends the screen's lifespan. The system's standby power consumption is less than 0.5 watts, significantly reducing energy consumption and providing strong support for green meetings. LED OS comes with built-in BS architecture web-based central control capabilities. No additional software is required. Users can control the system across multiple platforms via mobile phones, PCs, or laptops. By simply connecting to the same LAN, users can control the device's signal source, brightness, external audio volume, and even clustered signal transmission. distributing content to meeting screens in different locations. This eliminates the need to download and install a device control app, making meeting management more efficient and convenient, truly enabling plug-and-play. For schools, government agencies, or large enterprises with many meeting screens spread across different locations, LEDOS meeting system supports group messaging, enabling the timely distribution of meeting notices or meeting materials to all participants. LED meeting screens. LEDOS transforms external HDMI signals into content editing windows. This allows users to present images, videos, and text via HDMI inputs easily, enriching the content displayed on the screen. A major upgrade in LED Meeting v2.0 is the support for cluster monitoring, which enables the detection of device and screen issues before they occur on-site, thereby reducing support and maintenance costs. LEDOS has cloud monitoring capabilities, allowing real-time monitoring of voltage, dead pixels, temperature, humidity, network cable errors, and even smoke, ensuring stable device operation and providing smart alerts. The AX series comes in two forms. One is the IX08 device, which comes with a box and can be installed anywhere, as you see here. For customers who require higher integration, we also offer a built-in board. Both are designed based on the same hardware and software platform, providing excellent performance and functionality, and delivering a smooth meeting experience. Customers can choose according to their needs. Besides having a powerful hardware and software platform, the meeting room solution we are releasing today also supports a full range of peripherals. For large international companies that need to develop their own software platforms, the Colorlight LEDOS system supports an open ecosystem, allowing manufacturers with RUD capabilities to freely develop their exclusive applications. It also supports third-party central control systems. LEDOS has opened up APIs, further making network management, cluster control, and meeting screens smarter. With this open ecosystem, LEDOS not only provides stronger scalability but also helps our peers jointly promote the development of smart LED screen systems. If needed, feel free to contact our sales team, and our professional RUD team will provide full support. That concludes my presentation on the AI Display Control Meeting System solution. Thank you.